What if America could win a war without sending a single soldier to the battlefield? No boots on the ground, no body bags, just machines, code, and satellites. This is not science fiction. This is how modern wars are already being fought. For most of history, wars were fought by soldiers with guns. But today, the United States is slowly moving toward a future where wars are fought without soldiers at all. In this video, we'll break it down step by step. How America could fight a war without troops, what technologies would replace soldiers, and the dangerous consequences of this kind of warfare. Let's begin. War starts in cyberspace. Before the first missile is launched, the war would begin online. The US would target power grids, internet networks, banking systems, military communication. Cyber weapons can shut down cities, disable enemy radars, paralyze an entire country without firing a bullet. In modern war, code can be more powerful than bombs. Satellites control the battlefield. Next comes space. US military satellites would track enemy movements in real time, guide weapons with pinpoint accuracy, jam enemy GPS and communications. Without satellites, modern armies are blind. America controls one of the largest satellite networks in the world. This means the battlefield would be watched 24/7 from space. Drones replace soldiers. Instead of sending troops, the US would deploy surveillance drones, armed drones, autonomous attack drones. These drones can fly for hours, strike targets precisely, be controlled from thousands of miles away. Some drones are already capable of making decisions without human input. This removes risk to American soldiers but raises serious ethical questions. AI makes military decisions. Artificial intelligence would analyze enemy behavior, weapon locations, battle outcomes. I can predict attacks before they happen, choose the best targets, optimize war strategies faster than humans. In a soldier-less war, algorithms become commanders. Precision strikes, no invasion. Instead of invading countries, America would use precision missiles, hypersonic weapons, remote airstrikes. Targets would be military bases, weapon factories, command centers. The goal would be control, not occupation. Wars would be shorter, cleaner, but not necessarily safer. The hidden dangers. A war without soldiers sounds safe, but it's dangerous. Why? Leaders may start wars more easily. Civilian infrastructure becomes a target. Cyber attacks can spread globally. AI decisions lack human emotion. America fighting a war without soldiers is no longer a question of, but when the battlefield of the future will be digital, automated, remote, and while soldiers may stay home, the consequences will still reach everyone. The future of war may have no soldiers, but it will never be bloodless.